Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In this video, we will talk about the example that we are going to create in this subseries. Here, if you see, job ID from the PubDB is displayed in the list box. So this is the list box. Here we will display all the publisher IDs, right? From PubsDB we will display the job IDs. So in our previous subseries also we saw there are 14 jobs and IDs are running from 1 to 14. So we will display all these job IDs here. Then clicking the job ID, say for example user is clicking job ID 2. If they do so, it will load data for that specific job ID into the relevant controls in the right side pane. To insert, user needs to click new, and there are two versions of insert we will provide in the coming videos. So to insert a new row, user need to click new, then they will type the entries here and they will click the insert button. To update, pick ID. That means you need to pick a ID that will get loaded. Then you can modify the content and click update. That's the update flow. So to delete a specific job, pick the job from this job ID. Stuff will get loaded here. Then click the delete button. So once you click the delete button, the specific row will be deleted from the database. We will also explore static bind. So this will launch a separate dialog. We will also learn about the navigation and custom queries. So all this stuff we already learned, but the difference here is this time we will use a typed dataset and perform all these tasks. That means reading the content, updating the content, doing the static bind at design time, performing the data navigation, creating the custom query, and using that with the typed dataset. So all this stuff will be all this stuff will be tied to typed dataset in this video. In this subseries. That's all. Here we create a simple example, and in the meantime we will learn typed datasets and typed data access objects. All right. Now let's dig into the code and typed dataset concepts from next video onwards. Now you have the enough background in hand. Now let's proceed. Thank you for watching. Bye.